As the world gets ready to say adieu to the 20th century and herald the 21st, India, an Asian subcontinent, is experiencing winds of liberalization, taking up infrastructural development on a large scale in areas like power, telecommunication and road network. The state of Maharashtra, the buzzword of industrial and trading activities. National Highway number 3, one of the lifeline of trade and industry. On this highway, very close to Mumbai, lies Thane Bhiwandi bypass. Today the auto rider's joy, constructed with combination of the latest technology and an ambitious foresight of Ideal Road Builders Limited. The first infrastructural development project under Brt Scheme. This section of National Highway number 3 carries over 25,000 vehicles every day. Bhiwandi, a major textile center close to Mumbai, proved a major bottleneck on this highway, jamming the traffic for hours and kilometers. This town, linked to Mumbai by Old Kasheli Bridge, was the only connection between north-south corridor. A bypass was planned in 1972 to provide an effective alternative and ease congestion of traffic. The bypass starts at Majivre, spans Thane and Mumra Creek, and joins back the highway at Brt. It covers a distance of 23.642 kilometers. The bypass was opened to traffic in November 1985. As per the National Highway Act, cost of 2 bridges was initially recovered departmentally by levy of toll. The privatization process led to appointment of Ideal Road Builders Limited as private toll collecting agents since February 1990. The condition of road deteriorated gradually as it was deprived of final asphalting treatment due to shortage of funds. The foresight and vision of Mr. D.P. Maiskar led to submission of a proposal to maintain the road in good condition. The government instead suggested Ideal Road Builders Limited to submit modified proposal to strengthen the road. Liberalization process led to a bold approach and the government decided to strengthen the bypass on Build, Operate and Transfer scheme. Under this scheme, the entrepreneur invests his funds, constructs and maintains the road and transfers the ownership to the government after recovery of capital costs and margins by levy of toll. The necessary amendment to National Highway Act was made in May 1995 to incorporate BOT scheme. The Ministry of Surface Transport accepted the company's proposal on 26 August 1995. A tripartite agreement between Ministry of Surface Transport on behalf of the Government of India, Public Works Department on behalf of Government of Maharashtra and Ideal Road Builders Limited was signed on 12 September 1995 at New Delhi. The first project under BOT scheme was inaugurated with grand fanfare on 4th October 1995. A team of technically qualified persons defined technical parameters, created a detailed design and charted out a precise program. As per the National Highway norms, the carriageway was 7 meters wide with 2.50 meters earthen shoulders on either side. It was decided to strengthen these shoulders by giving them a full pavement treatment to bear the increasing traffic load. The shoulders were excavated to a depth of 500 millimeters. Subbase was rolled with vibratory roller. The existing alignment of the bypass is passing through marshy land and paddy fields. To facilitate proper drainage of subsoil water, shoulder drains are provided longitudinally and crosswise 3 meters center to center. This was followed with 300 millimeter thick layer of granule subbase, overlaid with 225 millimeter thick wet mix macadam in 2 layers. The camber of the existing carriageway was corrected to the required profile by spreading bituminous layer using sensor paver. 2 layers of dense bitumen macadam of 150 millimeter thickness were laid. It was finally covered with 40 millimeter thick bituminous concrete to achieve a smooth and sheer surface. Good compaction of the mix is the soul and substance of good road construction. Vibratory compactors were used to ensure the compaction. Ideal Road Builders Limited have set up a testing laboratory on site with all the latest equipments. Quality is ensured by carrying out elaborate tests in the laboratory. Hot mix plant on site provides the consistent quality of the mix. Provision was made in the contract for the first time to constitute a steering group consisting of 2 chief engineers from Ministry of Surface Transport Government of India, 1 chief engineer of local state government and 1 representative of the entrepreneur. Members of the steering group made periodical site visits to resolve all operational problems and achieve proper coordination at all levels. The necessary road furniture is provided on bypass like thermoplast painting in white lines at center and yellow lines at road edges, guard stones, retroreflective signboards, etc. This ensures safety and defines discipline at the highest level. 5-meter wide central verge adorns the first 4 kilometers of the bypass. It has colored checkered tiles on surface with black and yellow painted curbstones on both sides. The flower beds enhance the beauty of the central verge. The total construction cost of the project is about 195 million rupees, which includes the cost of 1 renewal coat. Nationalized banks and financial institutions could not finance the project as assignment of toll rights is not acknowledged as a collateral security. Dombivli Nagari Sahkari Bank and Kalyan Janta Sahkari Bank formed a consortium to comply with RBI provisions and granted the necessary loans. Subsequently, SCICI granted soft foreign currency loan to offset costly rupee loan. The company enjoys a concession of 7 years and 8 months to levy and collect toll on vehicles using the bypass. This is the story of the first ever BOT scheme introduced in India and running in perfect tandem with its objectives.
Prior to the completion of the Thane-Bhiwandi bypass, the running time from Thane to Vadpa was 2 hours. Now that it is complete, the running time will be reduced substantially, thus saving the time and the fuel of the commuters plying on it.
The advantages of the BOT scheme are obvious. Concession starts on completion of work, hence early completion. Operator maintains road during concession period free of charge, thus quality of work is ensured. Required road furniture for safe and fast traffic movement provided by the operator. Renewal code provided prior to handing over road, a cost-saving factor for the government for a further 4 to 5 years. These factors ensure quality and standard of road for a long time. Benefits to the entrepreneur: 100% tax exemption for 5 years and 30% tax relief for the next 5 years in 20-year span. Housing and related economic activities integrated with highway projects eligible for tax concessions. Duty-free imports of capital goods equipments and external commercial borrowing permitted. Capital grants provided up to 40% of the project costs. Automatic approval for foreign direct investment up to 74% in highway projects. Toll rates indexed to wholesale price index. Ideal Road Builders Limited have received many Indian and foreign inquiries for various projects worth crores of rupees. Net worth of the company zoomed to 130 million rupees from a mere 0.30 million rupees in 1977. This unique feature of infrastructural development was inaugurated on 11 June 1997 at the hands of the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sri Manohar Joshi. Honorable Minister of Surface Transport, Sri T.G. Venkatraman, presided over the function. Also present was the Honorable Minister of Public Works, Sri Nitin Gadkari. With massive investment in land and machinery and a team of dedicated manpower, Ideal Road Builders Limited is ready to take on new challenges and climb to glorious heights.